kum hakani ka juk kyrduh kam hakaba ki khynnah bat ki samla ki du jingkrmen bat ngop haki kam bymman hynrei ka don pat ka jingkrmen na ka bynta jong ki hakaba ka Ophis Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi District ryngkat ka jingtrei lang bat ka District Employment Exchange Ri Bhoi District Nongpoh lyngba ka Chief Minister's Youth Development Scheme mynta ka sngi khynnah tarik Nohprah kala Pynlong ka Registration Mela Cum Job Fair na ka bynta ki samla wat kam jong ka Ri Bhoi District hakaba layo ban Pynlong ha District Library Nongpoh. Hakini ka sngi lawan ban sakhi bat ban plie kani ka job fair da u Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi District hak jingdon ryngkat lang ka kong JM Nongkenri Officer District Employment Exchange Ri Bhoi District lembat palat spak ngut tam ki samla wat kam na Ri Bhoi District.
The world is up for the take for those who work hard enough to grab it. So please take advantage. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing yourself up on this day. I hope that all of you return with jobs that you are looking for, that suit your skill set and that simultaneously matches your aspirations and will help you grow further. But the request that I want to make to you is make yourself stand out in any job that you are going to do. That's how you make yourself irreplaceable, that's how you grow. Everyone will get into, you'll have colleagues, but only if you stand out in terms of what you will deliver, then only you will become irreplaceable, then only you are going to be valued by the company that you will be working for. So that's my only request. I come across this perception, this is something that is voiced by many people. As I've already said, that people from Northeast, not just Meghalaya, entire Northeast do not work hard enough. But I am chairing an office, heading an office which is VC office, and I have people who work extremely hard. Extremely hard. I had a function the other day in my residence, for which some stalls etc. had to be set up, canopy etc. had to be installed, all these arrangements had to be done. People worked till 2 a.m. in the morning, and all these were local youths only, local tribals. So, what I want to say is, it's not something which is out of compulsion. This perception has been created by many people because of certain reasons. However, this is not true also. It's up to you how you make yourself valued by the company and make yourself irreplaceable and you grow in the organization. Simultaneously, keep working on your skill set. Many of you would be graduates, many of you will be, let's say, class 12 pass. Now with the advent of new education policy, there is no real limit to what you can achieve academically. Even if you are working somewhere, you can still learn online and get fully recognized degrees. A degree will basically add to your qualification, but simultaneously it is important that in whichever job you will go, keep learning the skills that are valued over there. So if you are going to customer care, let's say, and what is required of you is to hone your speaking skills, do join some free online coaching programs also, or let's say these what we call massive open online courses, MOOCs, Udemy, Coursera, etc., wherein they will teach you how to be better at what you are doing, and that's for free. The idea is that if you keep improving yourself at whatever you are doing and you keep working hard enough, no matter where you start from, you will do really good.